Hey, it is Kevin to crazy. I have a lot of childhood memories, and there's one thing that I just can't forget. Christmas in Jamaica. Hold on. You cannot make a Christmas in Jamaica without drinking some sorrel. 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready, 4, well, me no know. Christmas in Jamaica. So you know when December come in Jamaica, everybody start put up Christmas lights. Christmas lights everywhere, everything. Now in Jamaica, as you know, we don't have the traditional pine tree, but any tree then at the front of the yard, some light a go on it. Mango tree, light it up. Orange tree, light it up. Tangerine tree, guava tree. No guava tree. That is stinking guava. Almond tree, light it up. Gungo tree, light it up. Pear tree, light it up. Ganja tree, light it up. Any kind of tree then at the front of your yard, some pepper light a go on it. If you know no tree, well you grill them a go get it. Even a rock stone in the front of your yard, pepper light a go on it. Light it up. But you know, so when the bill come January, you go shit. You can't have Christmas in Jamaica without good old sorrel. Now, for my foreign viewers, if you don't know what sorrel be, it's a little fruit, you know, where you do you shell it, peel off the skin, and some little prickly shit upon you juke out the shit out of your life. Where you do you boil the skin, like this right there, so you boil this, and them say good for cancer, and you put some red label wine, rum, whatever, sugar, and you're nice. But when you done peg sorrel, your finger head red no shit. But the sorrel tastes good though. If you prepare your sorrel too strong, your sorrel might make you get sorry, maybe too re. Babes, me look fat in that dress here. Let me take a drink of my sorrel first. You fat no RASS. Jahkno come out of my house. What the hell am I tell? You fat? You fat no RASS? No, come out of this bumba who parent, you know. I'm drinking sorrel in the bush. The greatest thing ever. Christmas in Jamaica. You know what else you have? It's gungo season. For my foreign viewers out there, the gungo is something like peanuts. What you want to do is, well, these are not very ripe, but they're pretty good. What you want to do is you want to crack it open, and then you want to check the fruit right there in your mouth. And just want to get in there right away to the gungo. It tastes like pineapple berries. And I say it, gungo people, you cook it like how you cook rice and peas. Any girl that can't pick gungo can't make sorrel at this season, yeah? That no hot! Christmas in Jamaica also sometimes you don't know. For the people them where they oversee, they might want to come at them yards, so you don't know, be a foreign around them time, yeah? So whole heap of Irish Spring, whole country does smell like Irish Spring, man. I don't know if you can't buy some other soup, you come here. That's me. Everybody knows say Christmas in Jamaica, a barrel season. I don't know say everybody have to have food in our house for the new year. Another thing about Christmas in Jamaica, paint. Everybody renovate, everywhere get paint up. All of a sudden everybody turn Picasso. Well, not necessarily everybody. Just the yard them we have the bad picnic them. We dirty up the wall. Most of them remember all on the parents are telling them to carry bucket of water and soap. Go wipe down your wall on a frig up through whole year. Them not say nothing to you while they frig it up in a year now. Then wait till Christmas. And then tell if you go clean it. Then you have the famous Grand Market. Nowadays goddamn Grand Market full of so much goddamn picking. I have wonder if a Michael Jackson room. Leave Michael out of this. But you know Grand Market when they carry you out, you go get your Kentucky Fried Chicken and you get your Thai. Your body next morning you frig you up and be a fire clappers. Christmas is the time when the most money send come to Jamaica, especially Christmas Eve. Now people are foreign, let me ask you, make who not send the money 3-4 days before Christmas. Make you wait till Christmas Eve. And when people go out there, some of the longest line them you seen in your life. Send the money 3-4 days before, man. I joke, man, big up your yard them when I send the money come to Jamaica, see you when you see me. That's me. Another thing, Christmas dinner. Now, no matter what happens throughout the year, everybody knows that when Christmas come, you have to get a good meal. 2 pounds of flour and 1 mackerel. A joke. But you don't know say you have your 2 kind of meat. Whether pork and goat, chicken and goat, hog and dog. No dog. A joke, man. But you have to have your 2 kind of meat with your gungo and your rice. With what?
A cup of sorrel.
And everybody knows say a fruit cake time.
Done 1 whole bottle of rum in our fruit cake.
Now in Jamaica, we still have the beautiful sunshine. But it get cool no blouse and skirt. We don't have snow to make any snow angels. But what we do have is grass. And we make grass angels. Grass likes to go kill me to mama. Another thing now, you don't know saying at Christmas you have the TV special them. Every year at the same set of program come on the TV. You have your How the Grinch Stole Christmas, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Home Alone, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kevin! RASS, how can we forget famous greetings across the world? Hello everybody down there in Jamaica. My name is Sister Mary Margaret Green Brown, coming to you from London, England. Well, you don't know some of them called file teeth, and I want to send greeting to everybody across Jamaica, you know. Big up gold finger, gold toe, gold hand, gold nose, gold ears. And I want to send greeting to all my church sister them, Pastor Deacon, Reverend, talk up the things them. My grandson, Paul, her fame pickney them. Big up my name, take away your book and give back. My granddaughter, Margaret, her fame 19 pickney them. Big up Buckstop, big up Gunman, big up One Foot, big up Two Neck, big up the whole of them youth there. So I ask everybody for around now. Tell your dirty teeth in son, no figure back cover me yard again, Mark. My teeth are drop out. Have I said greeting to Andrea, sister pop out and fling down. Big up everybody on the so. My one baby mother, my 19 pickney them. Big up yourself, you know, you don't know so I come for Christmas and a beer things, you know, see. Davidson, even though your man a give you born, sister Margaret, even though you crave to Mary, brother Pablo, you fit up, cause sister Mary yard. I want to say greeting to my dentist, to the whole community of Farmington, and all me pickney them. And I'll be coming home for Christmas, and make sure say, no fuck up me yard. Happy holiday, and a Merry Christmas. Very nice, man, I tell you no. I want to say happy Christmas and a Merry New Year, then I filed it. Hey, my tuna's roasting on an open fire. Dash, Rudolph the red nose. Dash, jingle woo, jingle all the way. Hey, dash. When we are touch it, when we are touch it, coming like Christmas. It coming like throw it that. And a ball plate in a pear tree. School, baku. I think me drink too much cereal. Christmas in Jamaica by far is one of the best. You can't dispute it. It's one of the goddamn best. Bam. Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.